choosing a niche can be quite overwhelming. Choosing a niche can be quite difficult at the same time. Most people fail in content creation. A lot of people fail in content creation. This is according to my perspective because they can't choose a niche. And I do know that I've done this quite a lot in my channel. My channel is quite flexible, to be fair. I've done quite a lot from English learning, and I've done quite a lot about, self-improvement, self-development, and now I'm talking about content creation, how to make money online. So I basically flip every niche, and it was like kind of flexible. And so now I've just chosen and I've decided mine because it's a day 3 and I'm building income through content creation from scratch. And yeah, I mean, I've just decided to have this specific niche. So if you're new here, I'm Mohammed and I'm documenting the journey of building income through content creation from zero, because no audience, I've got no money online at the moment, and just consistency and to put the content out there. So choosing a niche is quite harder than people think, because I was struggling with this for over a year now, and now I'm thinking I should talk about motivation, I should talk about money, I should talk about how to learn English, I'll talk about improving yourself, personal growth. I'll talk about everything. So, but everything that's a problem, okay? I won't just talk about, because if you have a specific niche, you will let the algorithm define what your content is all about and to push it to the right audience. And that's the problem with me. Doing everything, which will not take me anywhere. And I have got this realization where I realized something quite important. Your niche isn't about making most money, okay? It's about what you talk about for many years and what you dedicate yourself to give the information to people out there, and what you're willing to learn publicly, okay? And what is the problem you actually understand, what the problem you actually solve. And so I decided my niche will be just about documenting my journey and building income through content creation, because I've been in this kind of like content creation for about now, I would say over a year now, and now I'm here kind of like learning from lots of people, but building from zero. And you will see my mistakes, what I've done, and you will see my numbers, of course, at the same time, and you will see the strategy that I use, of course, to build this income through content creation, the wins and the failures. And I would highly recommend, if you don't have a niche and you want to start content creation, just talk about what you're learning, talk about what problem you're solving, for example, okay? Instead of pretending to be an expert, because I'm not an expert, okay? I'm documenting the journey, and through my journey you will learn what mistake I'm making and what strategies and techniques that will be helpful to you as well. And yeah, I mean, I will become one through this journey. If you want to follow the journey, then please let me know in the comments. And I would say, if you are right now struggling to choose your niche, what you're going to be talking about, here's a simple advice, okay? Simple advice. Don't pick something don't pick something that is trending, okay, online. Pick something that you're willing to document and improve publicly. This is what I was doing all the time. Every single video, I search about the topic, what things that are trending, and then I make video about it, which is just quite, I would say, is underrated strategy to use. But in the next video, I'll be setting my content system and posting a strategy, and I will show you, if you want to watch, turn the content into kind of like income step by step and follow the journey. So because this is all about documenting my journey and hopefully to help you at the same time make the right choices.